waves, and I say some waves, but it's showing waving like motion. And so right here we have goodbye, and that's our primary thing. That's where our resonance is going to come from. And so I'm just going to say done real quick. Let me just share this data file real quick. There's another program called Graphical. So in Graphical, which you guys will get, will be, in this one, we can actually find the frequency. So I could just take one wave if I wanted to, or I could take all of these. So remember, one wave is one wavelength. Y'all follow what I'm saying? It's going to be one of these. So you go from this location to this location. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half. So I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half. I'm going to put it on over here to make it a complete 7. And I'm trying not to leave the other things on there. So I can add statistics, and with my statistics, I can see that the frequency, I mean, not the frequency, let me go back to this. So right here, you can see that the time that it takes for it to go from 1 to 7 is 5.8335 seconds. So those 7 oscillations, all we need is 1, okay, to find the frequency. But I'm doing 7 just to get like an average, okay? And so, not to belabor anything, we have 5.83 seconds for our time. 5.835 seconds. So the period is just going to be time divided by 7, because all we need is 1 oscillation. 1 oscillation represents the period of this wave. Y'all follow what I'm saying? A period is how long it takes this wave to go from this location to back to where it repeats itself. A day is 1 period. 24 hours. Ideally, we repeat ourselves. Okay. So 1 period, 2 periods, 3rd period, 4th period, stuff like that. Y'all get that? Not really? So I'll do this. T is the period. Okay. And again, the period is so 7 goes into T how many times? Anybody know? 7 goes into 5.835 how many times? 7. It's approximately, yeah, it's 7 oscillations. So we have 0.834 seconds for a period. So 1 period is equal to 0.834 seconds. The way we define frequency is like this, 1 over T. So that means that the frequency is what? 1 divided by 0.834 seconds. You guys see that? So that's just the reciprocal of this. So that's 1.2 seconds. Not 1.2 seconds. How do we measure frequency? What are the units of frequency? That's correct, hertz. And remember that a hertz is identical to 1 over a second. So I'm going to stop right there. And I'm going to, I'm going to stop right there for this day.